This is Barbara Jean Bruin, and I graduated from the Hotel Restaurant Travel Department in the College of Business, HRT, and that was in 1985. And I am going to be showing you sewing masks because that's what I'm doing now. I'm coming to you from Noonan, Georgia, which is about 40 minutes south of Atlanta. There are 5 of us out here in Georgia. And so anyway, I want to show you my inspiration, and then I'll take it over and I'll show you what I'm doing. This is a quilt that was made to me by Erin Mascow when she graduated. I miss y'all so much, and I love that child. But I love all y'all. And this guy right here has never left my heart and soul. If you don't remember him, just ask anybody. So this is my workspace, and what I'm doing is I have all my equipment here. And then this is my grandmother's sewing machine. And then there's different patterns from all over. Joann's, the Cancer Treatment Center, the Atlanta Journal, and then I'm going to show you what I'm doing. Okay, so now I'm going to give it to my lovely husband. Okay, so hello. Wearing my Collins College shirt from RKR, because that never leaves my soul. So this is my mask making thing. So what I do is I make my pattern. This is my raw. I did this one, and then you have to do the pleats. I'm not good at pleats, but anyway, I try anyway. Never give up. Learn by doing, right? That's what they tell us, which is true. So then I sew very meticulously because I don't do this very well. But then at the very end, I make something like this. And so there is my mask. There I am, the mask maker. Okay, I hope that all of you stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you when I get back out in SoCal. Love y'all. Bye.